It just occurred to me that whenever I try to vlog, it always flops. But that's fine because that is the style that I'm bringing to the table. And those who will like it will like it. So I know it can be intimidating to pick up a camera, or if in your case, it's a phone, to press record. All of a sudden, your words will leave you. If I were to pull this camera up to show my face, I will not remember a single thing I'm trying to say. I will start to stutter and wonder what to say. To start recording myself, it's very hard. So, if you have no idea where to start, that's even harder. Let's think about what you can do to vlog, but also what you can vlog about. The great thing about vlogging is that you can document everything and anything, your daily life, your travels, your hobbies, or even just your thoughts, your feelings. The idea of video journaling is very simple, and that is what today's video is going to be about, your thoughts and your feelings. It's got nothing to do with you dropping text over your videos or trying to captivate people's attention, trying to hold people's attention, so retention essentially. No, it's not. Video journaling is very, very simple. It's straightforward. It's about you capturing what you're grateful for, how you're feeling. The idea of a video diary is very simple. You capture, and you log it. That's it. When you think about it in that sense, then you are forced to be authentic and be genuine because it's all about you. Or you're willing to share something that you're passionate about. I'm beginning to hate that word because a lot of people are just using it. We don't seem to have any other word for but passionate. But should you post it for the world to see, then I must add that people will want to see the real you, right? So, for instance, these are my thoughts at this point in time. If it's helpful to somebody out there, then yes. If it's not, they move on. There are over 8 billion people on Earth. At least 1 million of them are likely to like me without seeing my face. And that's fine. There are no B-rolls and we're going to do this. So don't be afraid to let your personality shine through, right? When it comes to actually filming your vlogs, there are a few things that you may want to keep in mind. You want to make sure that there's a clear idea of what you want to capture before you start filming, but also don't be afraid to improvise and have fun with it. You want to try different angles and shots so that you can keep things interesting. One thing I want to share is that I watch a lot of South Korean homemakers, the silent vlogs, for instance. Onibuju, I think that's how the handle of the YouTuber, or Hami Mommy. Now, what I've noticed is that they tend to take at least 3 angles for each scene. I tried that before. I haven't got time for it. So if that's your thing, go for it. Don't be afraid to edit out any mistakes that you may think or what you think is boring. In fact, nowadays, I would say just keep the boring stuff in because that shows who you are. That little crumb on the side of your mouth, capture it and then show or tell people about it. Oh, guys, I just noticed there's a crumb on the side of my mouth. Speaking of editing, when it comes to editing, I think now what's becoming popular is a lot of no editing styles. You do it in one take, talking about yourself, and you proceed. You don't need to have fancy software to edit your videos. In fact, there are lots of plenty and affordable options available online. If you want to do it, keep your editing clean, simple, and straight to the point. Make use of CapCut. It's free. Keep it plain. It doesn't matter. In fact, there's a lady I've just stumbled upon. Her name is Clover Bryan. I am Clover Bryan on YouTube. Go and check her out. I think it's fantastic. It's straightforward from the start of her day to the end of her day, and she's taking us through our day. Basically, it's the life of a black woman in London. No, life of a 40+ black woman in London. Go and check her out. What matters is that you are able to watch it back and you're fine with it. Her style of video is very chop, straight to the point. And I'm guessing she's probably an introvert, which is someone like me, because I can't talk for too long. After a while, you'll notice that my voice is drying out, it's getting tired. I'll probably need to break. And thankfully, People at Android and iPhone have decided to put this pause button on videos so that when we're capturing videos, we can easily just pause it, rearrange your thoughts, rearrange your setting, rearrange yourself, and press record again. And you're going. So you want to remember that the goal is to create content that is fun and enjoyable for you to watch. Then before it becomes about somebody else, can you actually watch it? Would you enjoy it? That's what you need to think about. So take the time and put in the effort to make your vlogs look good. I'm not great at vlogging, but I do vlog because the idea or the purpose for my vlog is so that I'm able to watch it back. I want to be able to see myself back. So with vlogs, you have to remain consistent as well. If you're able to shoot 5 vlogs, spread it across 5 weeks, and that's fine. Upload them across several weeks rather than one a day, and then you burn out. We don't want that. So that it ensures that you have a steady flow of audience and audience retention, which makes the algorithm then appreciate your efforts and share your videos out to people. So that's what I think you can do if you have absolutely no idea what to vlog about. Just vlog about yourself. It would be incredible for you not to be able to talk about yourself or your day for 5 minutes, right? You see?